Hello, my name is Vince and I will be demonstrating how to assign a filter to a deployment area in order to prevent certain files from being deployed. In this scenario, I have a stream with a few files already delivered. This stream is associated to a deployment area on the dev stage. You can see here the stream. And when I made this association, I checked the deploy by default option, which means that any new items will be automatically deployed to this area. In my deployment area, I already have the 3 files which were delivered earlier. And in my work area, I have 2 new files denoted by the green icon, which I want to deliver to my stream. But I don't want to have the object file automatically deployed to my area. In order to do this, I need to create a filter. This is done in the admin console on the Area Filters tab. Here you click New and enter your ID. For now, I'll just call this block OBJ for the demo. Then you select your new filter, and I'm going to add an excluded selection criteria. Here, I'm just going to enter star.obj, as that's all I need to enter. You can further refine this by entering specific design parts, formats, and item type as you wish. But for now, I'll just use the file pattern match and click OK. I then need to assign this filter to my area. So back here, I select my area, edit the details, and select the filter, and click OK. So that's all ready. So now I can go to Desktop Client, select my stream, and deliver the new files. Click Next. This should scan the area. It's picked up the 2 new files. I click Next and finally Deliver to deliver the changes. And that is done. In Desktop Client, we can see the 2 new files, file1.obj, file4.txt. Now in the web client, we can go to the Deployment tab and view what happened with the automatic deployment. So I'll click Refresh, and here you can see succeeded results for both these files. If I look at the information from the job, I can see details for both the files. Firstly, that we can see that the item that was created for the object file indicates that it would not be copied to the area because it's not matched by the filter that we defined, which is exactly what we wanted. And also the other file, file4.txt, was copied OK. Indeed, if we go to the deployment area on disk, we can see that file4.txt is there and the object file isn't. So the filter we defined has done its job and prevented the deployment of the object file. That's it. Thanks very much for watching.